Welcome to Saving History. I'm SCdigger, and we are in Culpeper, Virginia again. We're at the Just Go Detecting organized hunt, and we are at a site where there's a cavalry camp that we know of. And I'm out here, my buddy Russ, he's way back on top of the hill back behind me. I'm out here today with the brand new T2 Plus, running it in boost mode here in this Culpeper soil. And got my first really good target today, and this thing was just banging. It was hitting hard. If you look there, I got me a nice dropped musket ball right there in the hole. So let's keep going. All right, got me another good target here. It looks like just not too far away from the last one I dug. Got another nice musket ball. All right, Britton got him a nice
J-hook
target in the clump of dirt here. What a good looking green.
God.
Knapsack J-hook.
Knapsack J-hook.
Pulled it out of this hot Culpeper soil with the
Awesome.
T2.
The T2 gave a great signal. 80s.
All right.
Solid 80s.
Good job.
Awesome.
Okay,
Sweet.
so there's Russ right back there behind me. He's just dug two musket balls back to back. I got a good signal here. And looks like I got me a nice bullet here. It looks like it's a Sharps, I think. Oh yeah. Well, there we go. Okay, so the bullet I actually dug just a little while ago has actually ended up being a Gardner, not a Sharps. And I've got another good bullet down here in the ground with the T2 Plus. I tell you what, the T2 Plus running in boost mode hasn't had any trouble in this hot Culpeper soil. You see my bullet right there. It looks like it may be another Gardner. Nope, it's gonna be just a regular 3-ringer. But we'll take that any day. Another cool target. Looks like it's a flat button. Looks like that's where the shank is. I don't know if there's anything on it. It's gonna be a nice plain flat button, but yes sir, we will take it all day long. All right, so we've moved to a new field here. It's bright and early on the next day, and field's a little bit high. As you can see, the grass is a little tall there, but using the T2 Plus again in the boost mode hopefully gives me a little extra depth. This signal, you can see it was about 4 or 5 inches deep. You can see by the plug because it was right on top and it rolled out right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. He's got a bullet.
Yep. And it was hitting hard too. Whoops. Got a nice dropped
Spencer, or well, it's a dimple base Sharps.
Sharps there. All right.
Nice. Good job.
Let's go over here and see what Riley's got going on.
You see it right there. A little speck of green.
Little speck of green. Well,
looks like a grass blade.
Yeah, let's see.
Thinks it's a button.
Man, you
I got a button signal myself. There's a shallow one too.
Oh, it's a triangle.
ah, there you go.
It's a nice triangle. Nice.
It was a good green though.
Sweet.
Very good.
Awesome.
All right, Riley.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Good job.
Riley.
Okay, so it seems to be a musket ball kind of day. Got another musket ball right there. Doesn't look to be fire, but it's got a flat spot on it. Anyway, there we go. Well, headed back over here to the car and figure I'd hunt my way to the car and see how close we are to where everything is. What's up? And got a really strong target right here, and got a Nice. Dropped. Actually, it looks like a garden right there. How about that? Gardener right next to the cars. So, there we go.